What advice do you have for any CMOs that are about to embark on a similar journey in terms of what was critical to winning over the board or the VC, the changes required, maybe through to accessing the budget, through to any other keys to success?
So actually you touched on it earlier, which was the trust piece. And so if we'd tried to introduce all of the work we've done with the brand straight away, I don't think we would have got the same level of support. So just those incremental pieces that we did early on to get a few wins and help. So seeing how that initial campaign did start to shift our market share, did start to come through in terms of levels of awareness and consideration for the university, did help us and give us a platform to build further support. I was very lucky. I had a vice chancellor who was at the university who was extremely supportive of being creative and trying to do things differently. So it's working with that and understanding who you can work with and build that support around it, positive energy around it in different forums. So that was really an important bit. In terms of accessing in the dollars, then one thing we have done here is, and this was an impact of COVID, is we did have an initial amount in mind and put a business case forward around that. But it was always done in a way that was tied to understanding the financial situation of the organisation and also a realistic expectation of how quickly we could do that with the resources at our disposal. So what's really helped us get it over the line, even in times where finances are tough, is number one, showing how it's helping us perform and deliver what the university needs in terms of students and revenue, and also the second part of that was really showing how we would stage the rollout in a way, again, that would kind of manage that risk too.
You've been listening to Lean Mean Marketing Teams with Ty Hayes. If you love the show, please remember to hit subscribe so that you can discover more tips and strategies to build a high-performance marketing team. And if you're feeling generous, please tell someone about the show who you think would benefit. We're on a mission to help CMOs build their dream team and enable marketers to do their best work. And we appreciate your help in spreading the word.